This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying access, then Act. Create a team or pick an existing one that you want to link to SharePoint. Open the Channels Files tab to see the connected site. This is where documents will live. Once done, click Open in SharePoint to manage folders and permissions more granularly. Make sure to name the site folders clearly and set owner roles so syncing is predictable. These first steps align Teams collaboration with the SharePoint document structure immediately. Now you handle the core work, structure and access. Sync the SharePoint library to File Explorer so files are available offline and updates flow both ways. Create folders and add metadata columns to make searching and filtering efficient. Once structured, tailor permissions at the folder level. Assign owners, members, and visitors to match collaboration needs. As you proceed, use versioning and check-in/checkout for sensitive files so changes are tracked. These steps reduce duplication and keep Teams channels tidy. Finish by integrating and automating. Add SharePoint pages, document libraries, or lists as tabs inside the team channel so everyone accesses the same content instantly. Then create simple Power Automate flows for approvals or notifications to remove manual follow-ups. Make sure to train teammates on where to save files and how to use tabs. Troubleshooting tip: if sync or access breaks, first recheck SharePoint folder permissions. Then confirm the OneDrive sync client and library path. Fixing those resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.